Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay! O, bago ako mag-wish, kayo muna. I-start kayo din.
I wish you that happiest birthday of your life. And I love you.
Thank you, Unso. O, yun naman, ate.
More soon to come.
Yes, thank you. What else?
I hope good health, Mama. And sana mahaba pa ang iyong life.
Thank you. O, you, Daddy. It's your turn.
Happy birthday ulit sa iyo. Sana umami pang sumba.
Thank you.
Pumayat ka na.
Thank you. Dumami talaga sa
Umaway
OI.
pa ang iyong buhay. More birthdays to come.
Thanks, Daddy. Cartis mo live. Sige, ako naman wish ko. And first, thank you sa inyong tatlo. Thank you sa thank you sa love. And thank you for understanding. Sometimes si Mami is bumutin. And thank you. And siyempre kay ate number one kasi na-assistant ko na talaga si ate. Yung sa pagpagod na ako, tagalaban ng uniform ni Wilson. And thank you, Daddy, for the tiredness, everyday tiredness, yung pagbantay ng store. And we love you. And I love you all. So, that's the love. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to me.